Should you use masking tape when re-caulking as a beginner? Masking tape is a simple and effective tool for getting a straight, even caulk line when re-caulking joints around tubs, showers, sinks, and trim. Start by cleaning the joint thoroughly with a mildew cleaner and a scraper. Then dry the area completely so the silicone adheres properly. Apply 2 parallel strips of masking tape to define the top and bottom edges of the bead, leaving the exact width of the gap exposed. This gives you a consistent gap and prevents over-application. Cut the caulk tip at a 45-degree angle and run a steady bead, moving slowly and keeping even pressure on the tube or caulking gun. Tool the bead immediately with a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool, pressing the caulk into the joint for full adhesion and a smooth profile. Remove the tape right after tooling while the caulk is still soft to get a crisp edge, and avoid pulling cured silicone away. If you encounter rough tile edges, overlap the tape slightly above those edges so the finish line hides imperfections when you pull the tape away. Beginners commonly press too hard and create excess caulk that smears and is hard to smooth. To fix this, ease pressure and use a narrow tip or trim more of the nozzle to reduce flow. Another frequent issue is removing tape too late and tearing the bead. Remove the tape immediately after tooling while the silicone is still tacky for a clean edge. A third concern is poor adhesion from inadequate surface preparation. Always remove old caulk and residues. Then clean with a solvent or mildew cleaner and allow the surface to dry fully before applying new silicone. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where users exchange tips, ask questions, and share project photos to learn from real experiences.